Hi guys, if you think making an Afrobeat instrumental take hours, you need to watch this because I'm about to make an Afrobeat fire instrumental in just 5 minutes. It's crazy, no shortcut, not nothing from scratch. I will show you, but first, listen to the instrumental. It's fire. You listen. Yeah, you see it right? So no long talking, you get. No long talking. Let us get right to it. And to teach me wisdom, no long to talk. You get. Yeah, it's in bad lab phone. It's all that you need your phone, not nothing. In bad lab, only your phone you need. You get. This is
She knows the only beating man.
this is the. Can you hear it right? Yeah, this is how I made it. Look at the drums. Can you see the drums? This is how I made it. The drums. Can see it right? Yeah, this is where I get the drums from because I know the one that made the drum. I just can take it from a sample on Bad Lab. This is very good. You can sample stuff. Take stuff that you don't have in your power to use in your own instrumental. Very easy, very simple, very clear. Sample. Look at this. Reflex sound and Afrobeat volume 2. It's a new packet of samples on Bad Lab. You can pick from it. There's a lot of amazing Afrobeat stuff here. Amazing Afrobeat stuff here. You can use it. Save the name if you can see the name. I have plenty samples in my direction. You get me? Okay. The drums. You can see the drums are this. I got everything from that same sample because the sample a lot of nice things is in that sample. I can't lie. Yeah, let me show you how I make it. Where is it? Very good. It's a masterpiece. Nobody can even talk about this. Yeah,
She knows the only beating
beat
man.
and get me together. Let's hear it. Ah, this is wonderful. So let me add trumpet. For trumpet join the thing and make it power wonderful. Can you hear the trumpet right? It's a trumpet. Let's hear it. This is main details you need to make a fire design. I'm showing you the details. This is the details you need. I'm showing you the details for free. Learn, pay attention. So this is how I make it. Just 5 minutes. Give me just 5 minutes. And let me show you how I made. Because I play a lot of get me from it. Yeah, get me. This is how I made this thing. Like trumpet one can. I don't have instrumentals, but it's very amazing, very simple and cool. Bala it in your phone, so you don't have to press many things in laptop. Okay, listen to all of them together, all of them combined.
She knows the only beating man.
Yeah, let's say look at this thing I used to make it look like it's coming up. The sound to make it more raw, more fresh, and Afrobeat perfect in your phone. You can't even fucking believe this, bro. I'm a legend, bro, for real. You have to believe for you do something. So learn anything, hit the like button, subscribe button. If you don't learn, see subscribe, see like, and then the good news and the shout.